Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I have a very good news for all the students who all are waiting for IMU CET exam. So in this video, I will tell you their exam dates and their form, when the form will be available. So before start this video, I will tell you that if you want IMU CET study material, DNS sponsorship exam question, psychometric question, DNS interview question, all this study material, you will get all the study material from the link which is given on my description section. So if you want, you can visit it. Guys, IMU has released one notice. On that notice, it is written that their form for IMU CET 2021 exam, their form will be available on their website from 29th July. Means today is 28th July, and from tomorrow their form will be available and you can fill their form. And their exam will be on 29th August. Means you have only 1 month left. So just do your preparation, wait for their form, and when the form will be available, hit their website and just fill their form. Okay, and the remaining information is not available. Just these two information are available now. That their form will be available on 29th July and the exam date is 29th August. Regarding this, I received one mail from IMU that I will add that mail screen record in this video. So guys, this is the mail which I have received from IMU. You can see that it is written Indian Maritime University admission 2021 to 22. So it is written dear candidate, then all the information they have written here. And see the point number 4. They have already mentioned that the exam will be on last week of August 2021 on Sunday from 11 to 1300 hours. Means last week of August means 29th of August. That is a Sunday. Okay. This is the information which I have received through their mail. So you can go through all this information and even you can check the notification which is given on their email. Sorry, on their website. Okay, in IMU website you will get this notification. It is mentioned on that notification that dates 29th July the form will be released and 29th August there will be exam on this date. Okay, just prepare for the exam and best of luck for your exam. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your other friends who are going to appear for this IMU CET exam 2021. And if you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to press the bell icon. So guys, today I am ending this video here only. Take care and bye.